Let's look at what is on the board. We're evaluating this, and to do that, we are going to be using BODMAS. I'm doing this because of my wonderful subscribers, the ones that told me to still look into it. Now, assuming we want to solve this on the board, we're going to use this guide to help us so we can arrive at a very correct answer. Let's look at this. The BODMAS says B bracket, so we're going to be solving the one in the bracket first. Now, my next row is going to be, to rewrite it, I'm going to have equals to 4 plus 15 divided 3 is what? 5. And since 5 is the only thing in the bracket, we remove the bracket because the 2 is out. Then I'll write my 2 squared here like this times 4. Now the next one is O, which is order, and that is power of 2. We are going to do this one as the next one. So we have 4 plus 5 squared, that is 5 times 5, which is 25 times 4. Let's look at it again. D, there is no D in this equation. So we'll go over to multiplication, which is M, and we'll have 4 plus 25 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. We'll carry 2. 4 times 2 is what? 8 plus 2 is 10. So we are going to have 100 here. And the next row, which is the final one, addition, we are going to have 104 as 4 plus 100. And that is our answer. Now let's work number 2, which is a little more hard. Let's look at this number 2, which is a little bit harder than number 1 that we just solved, right? We are evaluating this too. And remember, with the rule of BODMAS, we are going to solve the ones in the bracket first. Well, from this one, we are going to start with this, which is this. We are going to have 3 squared plus 5 times 4 in parentheses 2, bracket 2, raised to power 2. So we're going to have our row here will be, remember that multiplication here comes before addition, so we're solving this in the bracket first. So we're going to have 3 squared plus 5 times 4, which is 20, bracket close, squared, divide by 16, bracket plus 2. That's what we're going to have in the next row. Now, what do we have here? 3 squared plus 20, which is 3 squared here is 3 times 3, which is 9. The next one is what? 9 plus 20, bracket, divide by 16 in the bracket, 2 times 3 plus 2. Now, what do we have inside the bracket again? We have addition. 9 plus 20 here is going to give us 29, and nothing inside the bracket again. So we are removing the bracket to square it, divide by this other one, 16 divide 2 times 3, bracket close, plus 2. Now 29 squared here, just to finish up what is here, but we're going to be solving this one. 29 squared here is 29 times 29, which we can do here. 29 times 29, we're going to have 9 times 9 is 81. You write your 1 and carry your 8. 9 times 2 is what? 18. 18 plus 2 will give us 26. Sorry, 18 plus 8 will give us 26. Go over to the next one. 2 times 9 is 18. You write your 8 and carry 1 here. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. We add it. We bring down, have 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. You write your 4 and carry 1. This is 6 with the 1 we have carried, and this is what? 8. So we have here 29 squared will give us 841. Divide by, we have this here, 16 divide 2 times 3. 16 divide 2 times what? 3. So we are going to have this. So we have 16 divide 2 here, we have division. 16 divide 2 is 8, so we're going to have 8. 16 divide 2 is 8 times 3. Still bracket close plus 2. We'll go to the next row. We'll have 841 divide 8 times 3 here is what? 24 plus 2. And here we are going to be working out these two. We have removed the bracket already because it's only 24 that is there. So we are going to use a long division to do this. We have 841 here inside, which is the dividend, and 24 out, which is the what? The divisor. So 24 going into 8. 8 is smaller than 24, so it's not going to go. So we introduce 4, which is 84. How many times will 24 go into 84? We use 3. And I put it above 4 because it's not just 8 that is dividing, but 84. 3 multiply 24. We have 3 times 4 is what? 12. You write your what? 2 and carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus the 1 is 7. So we take away. 4 take away 2 is 2. 8 take away 7 is 1. 24 going into 12. 12 is smaller, so we bring down our 1 here. We bring down 1. 24 going into 121. Let's try 5. 5 here. 5 times 4 is 20. You write your 0 and carry your 2. 5 times 2 is what? 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Right? So we'll have 1 take away 0 is 1, 2 take away 2 is 0, 1 take away 1 is 0. So what we'll have here is 35 remainder 1. So what we'll have now is what? 35. This is 35 remainder 1. So we'll have here 35 remainder 1, or 35.1 plus this 2 here. So our final answer is 37.1. That is the final answer. Hope you enjoyed the class, but I'm not going to leave you like that. I'm going to give you the one that you will solve, and I will see it in the comments. So look at what is on the board. I want you to simplify this for me, and I want to see the answer in the comment. 2 squared plus 3 times 4 in parentheses to the power of 2 bracket 4 divide 2 times 5 plus 9. I wish you luck, and I want to see your answers in the comments. Bye-bye.